Well, good evening, folks. It's a beautiful day here. It's just after 5 here on the west coast. Here, I'll just show you. Not really a lot more of that spot welding. And yeah, maybe I'll try and show you a bit of the inside too. 1 second. Okay, so here's this piece. It's all welded in. A little tang right there I gotta get rid of. But yeah, you know, it came out nice. It's just a little bit of a lip. A little bit of a lip there. And came out really good. Just the right height. You know, just put a skim coat of that fiberglass Bondo over it. And yeah, you know, it feathered out nice. Just, yeah, just a little nick. A little sliver right here. Gotta watch my finger. But all in all, coming out pretty good. Still gotta deal with that corner. Leave that till last maybe. But it's got good feel. It's got a little bit of a low spot, like I said, right around here. Comes up and goes down right about here. There's a low spot right there. But yeah, just been, like I said, doing more spot welding. But yeah, all in all, it's good. You know, this here where it was loose, like, you know, just, easy to push in, not no more. It's all smooth around here. This little piece here came out pretty decent. It's all pretty much even. And all I'm going to do, when it's all finished tacked in, I'm just going to take that fiberglass Bondo and put a strip about, oh, I don't know, maybe like my hand, all the way as wide, you know, as wide as what my hand is, up to my watch band, to my fingertips. And I'll just put it all the way around, everywhere, right along around here. Then just sand it off. The rest is good. I started sanding these down, but that'll be the last thing I do. But yeah, it feels good. Like I said, a little bit of a low right here. But when it comes up, comes nicely here, nicely here, nice here. Whoops. Comes up like shit, nice here. All the way through here. And there's a little bit of a low spot right there. All the way through here. Nope, low spot starts about there. But yeah, all in all, like I said, it came out pretty decent. Yeah, low profile view. But yeah, oops, yeah. And once all the welding's done, I'm just going to, like I said, put the Bondo over it. And by then, I don't know how good the weather will be and everything like that, I might finish sanding it and everything, and then just shoot it with some good epoxy primer, and then mount it on the truck just to see how it, to make sure there's no rattles or anything in it. You know, nothing else that I can fix up before I finally paint it and everything. So yeah, oh, and I still got this zero dent. I heat shrank most of it out. It's just a little indent now. But what I might do is drill the center of that with a tiny drill, and then heat it again. That way the metal can have some place to go to. That's a theory. Or somehow I'll get behind there and bang it out. But yeah, like I said, all in all, it's looking pretty cool. Like I said, it's got nice lines coming up here, over, and just a little bit of a low spot right where I just feel that. Right, yeah, right here, right around here. But yeah, I can't wait. Yep. Like I said, these here, I'll just take them to the house or whatever, and just sitting in the shop right here in the fresh air, and just sand one down. Came out pretty nice. Just gotta take a little bit of filler in them. But yeah. Other than that, not too much. Couldn't do it yesterday. We had to go to work. But yeah. Yeah, so I'm glad I had no major warps or anything like that. Just watching all those guys on YouTube, their videos about heat shrinking and cooling and everything like that, paid off. It's a solid hood. Okay, well everybody, it's just after 5 here. Well, 10 to 6, I'd say. So until later, or whenever next, everybody take care, eh? Have a great spring wherever you are, and a great summer. And like I always say, tell your family you love them. Okay. Okay. Well, for now, peace out and build on. Bye. This is the driver's side of the inside. As you can see, I hope this is coming through okay. I'm just trying to get, where am I? Yeah, all this, whoops, where are we here? All this has been welded in. I got a little spot here to weld in, as you can see. I'm going to fold that over as much as I can, then fill it, then weld it up. Same here. I got a tiny little slit, and whoops, where are we here? Sorry folks, trying to do this ass backwards. Yeah, so most of this is pretty good. Then I got to deal with this piece here. Whoops, sorry. It's about a finger's thickness away from the panel. Sorry, drifting again. This is about a thumb's width, so we're at 3/8 of an inch. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I haven't quite figured that out. Like I said, this is the pain in the ass part. Yeah, this is the one strut like I showed you. Sorry. This was horrible, like I said. That's gross. I should have done what I did with this one. I just plug welded it. 2 on each side. Then 2 here and 2 there. But yeah, then I gotta do this one. Finish this up. And down here. Finish up all this. Yeah. So yeah, it's coming along slowly. But yeah, like I said, just got a couple of dents. The one right there, which I heat shrink as much as I could. I've heard that if you drill a hole in this tiny hole in the center, and you heat shrink it again, it gives the metal someplace to go to. Okay, I got that one there, and I've got a little bit of a tiny one, probably about the size of a toonie. And then right here I got a low spot. Because it comes along here, it goes down right there. Let's see if I can get some better light here. And it comes back up right there. So you got about that much of a slight indent. And the rest of this is pretty okay. I think there's one more over here. But no, it's not too bad. Got to be careful rubbing my hand across here. Already caught it on one little metal sliver. That's a little bit of a bitch. But yeah, like I said, this was the outside of this was relatively easy. You know, easy as in compared to ones I started working on the back. But yeah, it's getting there. I figure another, I don't know, probably a good day. That is, with no breeze or anything like that, I should be able to get the rest of this welded up. Won't be exactly pretty, but like I said, I'm going to cover all the welds and everything I've done with that fiberglass Bondo. Just get a nice skim coat, clean it all up, make it all look uniform. You know, because there's a few areas here that are really going to suck, like down along here. Like along here. Like it's all welded in. I'm just going to finish welding this up here. And like I said, that one over there, that's a mess. Now I'm just going to fill it. You know, I'll make it look really nice. And yeah, whoops, excuse my hand. Okay, it's a pretty crappy video, but you get the general idea of it. So yeah, so that's about her right now, folks. Yeah, it's just after, wow, just after 7 o'clock here on the West Coast. And yeah, it's still beautiful out. Okay, well, I'll quit rubbing your guys' face in, and that's beautiful here on the West Coast. I think I've told you that maybe once or twice. Okay, everybody. So everybody, take care. Peace out and build on. Bye.